Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am in Five Below and it's the most wonderful time of the year. You know what that means. Let's go shopping. So you guys know I've been sharing shop with me's all over for Christmas. Well, we are in Five Below today and we are getting started with the decor. We're going to look at all the things in the store. For $3, they have a really cute stacked tree shelf. I was very tempted to pick that up. It's a great buy at $3. And these little houses are bigger than the ones at Target Dollar Spot and they're only $3. Really cute. You could put a votive in them. They have so many bobbing head solar buddies. So if you have a favorite character, you may want to check those out as well. They even have this that is really fun. It is a Friends coffee mug with Central Perk on it for $5. And can we talk about this? These are Hallmark ornaments in different collectible characters, and those are $4 for the 3-pack. Now these stars are an excellent buy. They come in silver and gold for $5. They also have these reindeer for $4. Now they're bigger than the ones at Target Dollar Spot, probably about the same size as the ones you can find at Walmart. I've shared all those in Shop With Me's. I'll have a link of the playlist for you guys down below. Now these are great buys on these little blankets. They're $5.55. They all have coordinating pillows, different prints on the fronts and the backs. This one with the bear on the blue. They also have this snowflake that I think is very pretty. And down below they have some front door mats for just $5. And then I saw something out of the corner of my eye and I thought, there's no way that's $5. But in actuality, it is $5. It is a leaning sign in Be Merry in the red and black. They also have a countdown for $5 that is a tree cutout and a magnet wreath to move along and count down the days. Now below they have even more things that I am surprised to find at these prices. Now this tree is a 6-foot tree, but it is a $20 tree. You see that little yellow sticker peeking out there? But this berry wreath is a $4 item. I don't think you'll find that anywhere else. They also have the green wreaths for $4, and above they have some light options, clear and colored, as well as the firefly on the copper cord. Now over here I saw some tinsel garland, and then I realized these are bottle brush wreaths. So cool. For $5. They have them in the green, in a really pretty blush color, and the gold. Those are great vintage vibes on those wreaths. Now I have to mention these stockings. I have purchased stockings from here before and I don't think you can beat these prices. So they have a few to choose from. If you're into the monogram, they have them in red as well as a powder blue, but these stocking versions are gorgeous. They come in a cream and a red knit sweater. They also have the fur in a cream, a pink, and in this brown that I found at Walmart recently for over $10. Now they have the plaids, if you're into that, in the red as well as the black and white. They have one in a gnome print, and then down here I saw some characters. So they have Jack Skellington, they have Star Wars, the Grinch, and Snoopy. Now this one is my favorite. This looks like it would cost easily $15, and it's here for a third of the price. All their stockings are $5 a piece. It also comes in the gray that I think is really nice and masculine. Here's another look at that creamy white sweater stocking. And over here they've got some more Christmas decor. So things are really high and I'm really short. So I'm just going to show you guys. They have this really cute sled. It's bigger than the one in the Target Dollar Spot. They have some gnomes and some glass trees. I thought these were going to be plastic when I picked them up. So they come in the blue as well as the mercury glass, and this has a green tint to them. They're open on the bottom so you can pop in an LED candle or some string lights. They have a joy sign and some ornament kits, and down here they have a collar for their 6-foot tree, and I cannot believe it is just $5. They have some more ornaments, but these gingerbread are super cute. And it's a 3-pack for $3. They also have this one. And I want to mention that they have their ornament packs for $3. They come in 3 different color combos, so keep your eye out for those. I was shocked by that price. Now over here they have more prints to choose from in their little blankets. They have a Fa La 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 print and this really cute pink pillow in Ho 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 on the back. It's got candy cane. And then over here they've got another pillow in Fa La La La. This one has a velvet backing. It's red on the back. And then this one with the little Sherpa polka dots is a gnome print on the back. And I want to let you know they have this really nice sized tinsel wreath. I think this is great for indoor or outdoor decor, and it's huge. You can't beat that for $5. Now I'm going to show you guys all of the t-shirts they're offering, the pajamas, which are great buys at $5. And then we're going to get into some of the fun festive gifty items and candy wall.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da. Oh, oh. La da da da. Oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Five Below and seeing what they're putting out for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.